Hello there. I would like to welcome you to my humble home. Oh, where are my manners? I forgot to put away my jewels. I won this tiara when I won the Derbyville Winter Pageant. In case you didn't notice, this video is all about little old May. Oh, and my family. My full name is Carmen Rose Woodhouse. I absolutely adore flowers. And Mama must have known that's why my middle name is Rose. Just look at my room. It's covered in roses. I got flowers on my shirt. Pink is my favorite color, in case you were wondering. Born and raised in Southern Derbyville. Some people say I have a little bit of an accent, but if you ask me, I don't know what they talking about. What else is there? Well, I love pageants, and my best friend is Sophie Darby, but you probably already knew that. Oh, here's something you probably didn't know about me. I love to write short stories about elegant times, beautiful dresses, and tea parties. Carmen, so far in this video, you've only talked about yourself. Maybe it's time to introduce the rest of the family. Fine. This is my sister Skye. Hello, everyone. I would like to show you something a little less floral. This is my room. My favorite colors are black, dark gray, light gray, graphite, and ash. My style is totally chill. I mean, I'm not saying anything negative about my sister. I mean, it's like flower overload over there. I totally can't do the whole flower thing. You know her first name is Hyacinth, right? And that's a flower. Carmen, her whole name is Hyacinth Gwyneth Woodhouse, and she had an accent until she went to Europe and decided to drop it. Get out! Where was I? Oh yes, I am totally authentic. I love photography, but only with a Polaroid. And it has to be aesthetic. I am all about the aesthetics. Well, enough about her. That must be Mama and Daddy. Carmen and Skye's mom was originally a Barbie basic, but I can't seem to find her, so we're just gonna have to make a new one. And since our Barbie, Lady Tremaine, is just sitting on the shelf, let's use her. She has red hair like Carmen and a complexion similar to Skye. However, this doll has the basic 5 points of articulation. So let's give her a made-to-move body. However, the skin tone might be an issue. Here is the hand test. Yeah, that looks pretty close. All right, everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. Aw, the skin tones are definitely off, but maybe we can find a way to hide it. Like maybe with a dress with a higher neckline. First, I rinsed some of the product out of her hair to soften her curls. We dressed her in this black and white Barbie dress that goes a lot higher on the neck, borrowed jewelry from our holiday Barbie, cut a small piece of a stocking, place it on her arms for a shrug, completing her look. The name is Emma Woodhouse. Not too bad. I think as long as we keep a jacket on her, we can totally get away with it. For Mr. Woodhouse, we are going to use James T. Kirk. Excuse me, dear, but our dinner guest will be here any minute. Please go and change. When he's not flying spaceships, Mr. Woodhouse is a Derbyville councilman, so I'm thinking he should wear a suit. It fits, but it's a little snug. Captain Kirk comes fully articulated with movement at the head, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. So there's no need for a body swap. Oh man! Carmen Rose Woodhouse, why aren't you dressed? Oh dear, Mama, I must have lost track of time. Just give me a few moments and I'll be ready. Well, hurry. She'll be here any minute. Oh no, she's early. You all are gonna love her. What do you think of this dress? Well, you can never go wrong with pink and flowers. I better go, because you don't want to keep Grandma waiting. We are going to use Professor McGonagall for Carmen's grandma. She comes fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. I really like this outfit, so you might see her wearing it here and there. But right now, she's gonna do a little bit of magic and poof into something that won't scare the muggles. Will this do, dear? Grandma, you might want to put the wand away. Oh yes, right. Carmen's mother and grandmother run the local art gallery. It's crooked. Well, there you have it. That's my family. My sister Skye, whose real name is Hyacinth, loves photography. We don't always see eye to eye. My grandmother, one of the smartest women I know, and runs the art gallery with my absolutely fabulous mother. Now you can see where I get the red hair from. And my daddy, a local councilman in Darbyville. And I'm Carmen Rose Woodhouse. See you next time. Bye! We want to give a shout out to Catherine's World. What's up? Okay, I've had enough of people stealing my vlog. It's the Darby Show because I'm Sophie Darby. It's not the Lopez Show or the Woodhouse Show. Oh, just calm down, Sophie, and have a seat. Okay, maybe you're right, Carmen. Maybe I'm overreacting. I'm Carmen Woodhouse, and let's get ready to play some Roblox. Seriously?
When we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts,